What are we doing, honey?
Betraying Ryobi.
Ryobi.
Ryobi. Stop.
Y'all, we just discovered that we need something that has been in the riding lawnmower market for a little while. And it's okay to just show that, you know, we were wrong as far as what we needed for our property. And we need something with a little bit more durability. And since we don't know much about timing belts and this and that, this will give us an introductory opportunity on taking care of something like that ourselves. Let's go find someone.
If you see one.
So today, while we were at Lowe's, we picked up one of these bug zapper thingies and we hit a rather large mosquito and it's on this really sharp pop. Oh, there's another one. I see an opponent.
That's a dragonfly, Daddy.
Yeah, don't hit that one. It's a dragonfly.
That one over here. Dragonfly is kill them and you get back.
This is more, you grabbed turf, not dirt.
Yeah, tell me what turf and dirt is. Turf and dirt.
Only these guys sticking out like that. Same with these ones, okay? Just like that.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah?
Tell me whenever you hit a beat, because I want to see.
Alexis, come on.
Oh.
Gotta get more dirt. Dean has abandoned us. Hey, son, come close this door so they don't run out. Look at the butterfly. Hilling our potatoes. Oh my gosh, she's so heavy. And start. Oh, our soil is holding moisture very well. You can see some ants in there. That's cool.
I don't want to hill up potatoes. Really big buzz.
Here's the buzz.
It flew past you. It was like bzzz, and then it was like bzzz. Don't touch that thing.
No, it's off.
So Andrew was, we were trying to spray the carpenter bees because they're carpenter bees. And up inside at the top corner, Alexis, take this, honey, of that window at the very top right there, right way up in that corner, a bat just squeezed out of there.
You want me to try breaking them out?
You hold it.
I don't think that we should encourage it to come out because it's sleeping. And I think that we should let it sleep so it can come out and eat all the ticks and the mosquitoes. But if you get closer, you can kind of see that black right there. See the wings sticking out? Ooh, try not to move.
I can spray just like right by it.
No, we should leave it alone.
Okay.
Sleeping. Oh my gosh. We're just trying to finish planting our garden, guys. So we're watering the garden. Right now it's just piles of dirt, or most of it. Alexis and I just planted some corn, some bush beans, some peas, some dill. I think that's all we just put in the ground. But we do have arugula, red leaf lettuce, red cabbage. We have potatoes. We have sweet potatoes over there. Those taller ones. I think this is good. I'm turning this off. This is Dean's watermelon. Right here, it's doing really well. When we first got it, each plant only had 2 leaves on it. And then we have a little tiny cherry tomato right there, plants. And the other one's over here, hanging out. There. And then through here, we have rows of different types of lettuces all through here. And then all of these are the potatoes that I got from the store that I started chitting about a month ago. And we put those in. These are tomatoes, tomato plants. They are buried about 6 inches under. So I did break off the stems or the leaves and bury them up high. It's hot. So that way additional roots could hopefully start forming. We have some strawberries right here. Strawberries here. This one is just a little bit, I think, derpy. it's crazy. It's perfectly healthy. It's just, I think, exhausted. Looks like it's trying to form a little strawberry. And these are sweet potatoes, and we just hilled them up moments ago, hoping it's not too late because some of the leaves are a little bit brown. Hopefully that's just the color that this particular one turns. And then the cucumbers over here, they did suffer some heat shock or sun shock. As you can see, some of their leaves got really, really white. However, they're still growing because this one was much lower into the ground and this little leaf wasn't there before. Same thing with this one here. So they're still growing. We'll see how they do. And then we have our bell pepper plants down here. So here's one. We've got 4 total. These ones are doing great. Here's this one. This one's really big. And then, so wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. One of the kids must have accidentally broke that off. Hopefully it'll be okay. And yeah, it's hot out here, sweating. Let's go take a look at the chickens, see what they got going on. Oh, Andrew isn't finished doing all the rocks around the perimeter of the chicken enclosure today. He got it done before 10:30 this morning. So good job.
Sweet.
And then what we've been doing is we cut down some of our bushes or trees or any type of limbs. We just keep them and throw them over here because the birds like to perch on them and we kind of peck at it. All the other little bugs that will accumulate around on them. And you can kind of actually see them. They're hiding underneath, way over there. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Today we went to Lowe's. I'm gonna put this on you for this story.
Oh no. Oh no.
We went to Lowe's.
Yep.
Chicken's playing in the background. Because, well, everybody knows that we decided to, or not decided to, we had to return our Ryobi.
Yep. So unfortunately we had to return our is it Ryobi?
It is.
I've been saying it wrong
We
for
both
the
have
last
been.
like 5
I
years.
just corrected myself.
And we still don't know what the issue with the Ryobi lawnmower was. They sent us a separate relay control, extra charger, and at that point we thought, hey, we might as well take this opportunity to just get a larger mower because our Ryobi lawnmower was 38 inches. So we went to Lowe's just to check out you know, the selection of gas-powered ones.
Mm-hmm.
And we ended up leaving with one. Well, purchasing one. It should be here on Wednesday, so we should have a video for that out here soon. But yeah, we got a Husqvarna.
Husqvarna.
Husqvarna MZ54, so it's 54-inch deck. Great reviews, so we're really waiting in anticipation because
all of this,
our property has gotten somewhat out of control.
Yeah. We still stand by our original sorry about the hair, our original review that it was a great lawnmower. You know, while it was working, there is a possibility that we rode it too hard for the type of terrain that we have here on our property. We don't really know. But after speaking with a couple of the lawnmower professionals at Lowe's, they did advise us with the amount of land that we have and the amount of work that we need to put into it, that we get something that leans more towards a commercial grade lawnmower. And for me, my hope, by just being open and transparent with everyone who watches our videos and our channel, is just letting you know that, you know, we're going to give you our honest feedback, and we're not going to sugarcoat things, and we're not going to hide things or decisions that we've changed our minds on, you know, over the years, because I think, like, you know, life is always about making choices and then improvements along the way. And for us, we need something that's going to be just a bit more aggressive when it comes to its capabilities. Now, we are still going to continue to purchase our Ryobi electric products. We absolutely love everything else, and we will continue to use those products in the future. Yeah, our chicken caught a bug, but I will.
I know. Oh, it's gone. It's in its belly now. Rest in peace.
But yeah, that's what we decided to do, and it should be here delivered on Wednesday. So we'll let y'all know exactly how that goes as well. Here's a little bit of chicken B-roll for y'all up there. They'll leave if we go over there.
Boy, here in the chicken's natural habitat. As you can see, around this time, they like to congregate around that tree. We're gonna see if we can get a little bit up close.
We won't be able to. That amber link up there is like, excuse me, sir.
Through my excellent camouflage, it appears they have taken me as one of their own.
You look more like a duck to me. I'm surprised he got that close.
It appears I am not one of their own.